First, park your 2009-2020 Dodge Ram on a flat surface, turn off the engine, and engage the parking brake. Open the tailgate to access the interior bed area. Locate the taillight assembly. It's held by 2 to 4 screws, often 10mm bolts and plastic clips. Standard halogen bulbs are 3157 for brake turn and 3156 for reverse, but consider upgrading to LEDs like Philips or Sylvania 3157 LED for longer life. From inside the bed, pull back any rubber weather stripping to expose the back of the tail light housing. Unscrew the mounting bolts and gently pull the assembly outward, disconnecting the wiring harness by twisting and pulling the plug. With the assembly removed, locate the bulb sockets. Press and twist the faulty bulb counterclockwise to remove it. Insert the new bulb, twisting clockwise until it locks. Test by plugging the harness back in and activating the lights. Now we'll reinstall the taillight assembly. First, reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring a secure click. Align the assembly with the mounting holes and push it back into place. Secure with screws and clips, replacing any weather stripping. Close the tailgate and test all lights to confirm functionality. Key considerations: LEDs offer a longer lifespan and better vibration resistance compared to halogen bulbs. If the bulb doesn't light, check the fuse in the engine bay, usually a 15/8 fuse labeled tail or stop. When installing, torque screws to 5 to 7 feet-pounds to prevent loosening. If bulbs fail repeatedly, inspect the socket for corrosion or wiring shorts. Upgrading to LEDs may require resistors to prevent hyper-flashing on turn signals. For EV Ram models, integrated LEDs might require dealer service.